1573, good day. Information Whiskey, QNH 1019, contact ground 1217, goodbye.
Hello, my name is Andrea van Dijk. I'm a captain on the Boeing 737. In this video, my colleague Jos Roeper and I would like to show you how a 70,000 kilogram plane takes it to the sky. It may seem complex, but it's not really that difficult. On today's flight from Amsterdam to Athens, we will show you how airplanes fly. Both the airplane's weight and the actual weather conditions need to be taken into account to determine the right speed for takeoff. For this, we send our information off to a central computer. Thereafter, we get a print back, and this information we put into our flight computer. Then we're ready for a safe takeoff.
KLM 1985, request taxi. 1985, taxi Alpha 2.
Before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist, flaps.
5. Green lights.
Stabilize trim.
6.1 units.
Before takeoff checklist complete. And tower KLM 1573, we're ready, holding short 2407.
Order KLM 1573, cleared for takeoff, runway 24.
You ready?
Jack.
Takeoff.
Hey, nuts.
Check.
Rotate. Accelerate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Check.
Gears up.
Flight 888, climb flight level 250.
250, flight privilege.
Delta 986, descend flight level 120.
Delta 986, continue descend level 120.
Okay, then I start flying manual, autopiloted, auto throttle off.
Check.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Gear down.
Gear down. Camera crew, take your seat.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Then start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brakes.
Arms.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30. Green lights.
Landing checklist complete. Speed brakes up. Reverse, normal. Right, 121, 750, KLM 1573.